Foldable treadmills are a great way to make your workouts more convenient and efficient, especially in smaller spaces. We consider quality, features, and value to bring you our picks of the top 5 best folding treadmills available now. Number 5. Sunny Health & Fitness SF-T1407M Foldable Manual Walking Treadmill. A manual option, this folding treadmill has a fixed incline, so there's not a lot of adjustability as far as intensity goes. This also means that it doesn't need electricity to run, so while there aren't a lot of extra features here, you still get a great workout, and you have even more control over where it can be used. It also has features like padding on the handle to make gripping it feel more comfortable and side rails for stability. It even offers basic stat tracking such as time, speed, distance, and calories. This treadmill is not only foldable, but pretty compact when it is opened, making it especially well suited for smaller homes. Even the tread deck is compact. It can hold 220 pounds and measures 50 by 23 by 49 inches when opened and 50 by 23 by 20 inches when folded. Number 4. Goplus Super Fit 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. The Goplus Super Fit 2-in-1 folding treadmill is a treadmill that puts focus on both its compact design and your comfort. It features detachable armrests complete with a phone or tablet holder and even a Bluetooth speaker to listen to your favorite music or podcast as you exercise. This treadmill runs on a 2.5 horsepower motor that switches between walking mode at up to 4 km per hour and running mode up to 12 km per hour. It also runs fairly quiet and includes a handy remote. While there's no incline adjustment, it's perfect for use under a desk for this reason. The max weight on this treadmill is 265 pounds, and it measures 49 by 27 by 42 inches when opened and 52 by 27 by 5 inches when folded. Number 3. Sunny Health & Fitness Folding Incline Treadmill with Tablet and Device Holder. This folding treadmill has some good features like shock absorption, which makes it gentler on your ankles and knees. Additionally, with its 2.2 horsepower motor, it can reach up to 9 miles per hour on one of 3 incline levels seamlessly. It's convenient to adjust on the fly thanks to the controls built into the handles, which let you choose settings and use the heart rate monitor. The large LCD display makes it easy to check stats at a glance, and it has a wide variety of 9 different fitness programs built in. You also get a cup holder and a tablet holder for your convenience. Though it's not quite as compact as the previous 2 models, it is still smaller than most standard treadmill options. It can support 220 pounds and measures 62 by 25.5 by 50 inches when opened and 36 by 25.5 by 58 inches when folded. Number 2. Xterra Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill. The Xterra TR150 features a 2.25 horsepower motor with 3 manually adjustable incline settings and speeds up to 10 miles per hour. With 12 built-in programs, a control panel that lets you navigate them, and a large display that shows all of the information, this unit is not only feature-rich, but easy to use. Quick touch speed shifts and a pulse sensor on the handlebars let you stay in control without having to slow your pace. It can support 250 pounds and measures 63 by 28 by 51 inches when opened and 29 by 29 by 61 inches when closed. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. NordicTrack T-Series Treadmills T6.5C. The NordicTrack T6.5C is a sturdy and reliable foldable treadmill with some great features and extras. This folding treadmill has a 300-pound capacity and is powered by an impressive 2.8 horsepower smart drive motor that can reach up to 10 miles per hour. One of your favorite things about this treadmill is the 10-inch interactive HD full-color touchscreen that you can use to see stats, change settings, or use the Bluetooth connectivity. The T6.5C also comes with a 30-day iFit family membership for virtual classes and training. Additionally, the surface has flexible cushioning that is comfortable on your knees and joints while in use. When you're finished, its space saver and easy lift assist mechanism make it really quick and easy to fold up, move, and store. Considering features and quality, the NordicTrack T6.5C is an excellent option overall. Still need a little more help deciding on the best folding treadmill for your needs? Take this chance to head over to the description below for the most current info, availability, and latest deals on each of these choices. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.